Hello, thanks for watching this Tech to Connect video tutorial. The topic of this tutorial is vision enhancement on a MacBook. So to begin, we are going to click on the Apple logo at the top of the page. We are going to scroll down to System Preferences. From here, we're going to go into General. And on this page, you can change the appearance from dark to light. You can also choose the option of automatic, and that just adjusts light to dark automatically throughout the day. I am going to choose dark. Now we're going to hit the back button. Next, we're going to go into the display option. This is going to allow you to change the brightness and the resolution. So with the resolution, if you hit on the scaled option, you can change the resolution. If you just hover over, you can see how it would look with the larger text option. And then you can just keep going down and hover over, and it gives you a preview, and you can choose whichever option fits best for you. And then down here, you can adjust the brightness. If you toggle it down, it'll decrease it, and if you just go back up, it'll increase the brightness. We're going to go back again to our System Preferences page. And here, we're going to go into our accessibility. Then we're going to go onto the zoom option. This page will allow you to control how you want to zoom in and out on your desktop or just on your screen. As you can see, I'm using the use scroll gesture with modifier keys to zoom. So this is just, I'm using the option key, but you can either use a control or a command. So in order for me to zoom in, I need to use the option key. And then with 2 fingers on my trackpad, I am going to scroll up, which will actually cause like a magnifying glass effect. And then I can move this around my screen, and it just magnifies everything. And just to come out of this effect, you scroll down, and it should get rid of the screen. Be hitting the option key, and then you scroll out, and it gets rid of that magnifying effect. And if we go back, so that was that effect. To do the magnifying glass, you must have the zoom style picture-in-picture. And if you have the full screen, all it does when you hit the option key and you scroll in, it just makes your whole screen bigger. So it's just like different options, whichever one you like. And then on the enable hover text option, I like this. You just hit the command key, and whatever text you hover over, it enlarges it. Just makes it large to see. Okay, now we're going to hit the displays option. Here you can you have the option to invert colors. So it's whatever option you need for your vision. You can increase the contrast, which reduces the transparency. And then you can also manage your contrast here from max to normal. You can, if you hit the cruiser option, you can make your cruiser larger. And the color filters, if you hit enable color filters, you could either go into a grayscale or a red and green filter, green and red, blue and yellow, just depending what you need for your vision. If you uncheck it, it disables the color filter options. Well, that is it. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to check out the rest of our video tutorials on the Tech to Connect website.